Well, good morning, guys. Today is a beautiful Sunday. It's going to be nice today. It's supposed to be warm too, because yesterday was freezing. It was cold as hell, rainy, the wind. I went to a place yesterday, Sycamore Creek, in Ashland City. I did film it. I caught two bass. One was maybe a pound, and one was, I don't know, 5-6 ounces. It was small. It was caught in on a little square bill, but I'm not going to post that video for too little fit. You know what I'm saying, guys? So I will try to go back there again when the weather's not so bad. Because like I said, guys, I got poured down on, and the wind was a little bit strong. So today I am headed to. I decided I'm gonna go to Percy Priest today. I haven't checked. I'm really hoping the water level is up. One of the guys at work that lives close to the area said that it looks like the water level's back up to normal pool, so that's going to be great. It might be busy today because, like I said, yesterday was a kind of a crappy day, so I'm expecting we might see a lot of boaters out there, both sides, fishing and recreation, because Percy Priest gets busy with the jet skis and wakeboards and the other part of the water world there. So I just left the gas station, got some gas in the old Dazzle, and filled up the boot. So I don't know, take me about 30 minutes to get there, guys, so bear with me and I'll be there in a little bit. We'll see you. All right, boys, we got that one. Oh my God! We missed it, man. How in the hell did we miss that? See what I'm talking about the line wrap already? It's already getting twisted around itself. What I mean by the line wrap is that, what's the line? It'll. Let's see if we can't do that again. You know what? That might be. I'm not sure that's a bass. Seems like there's no mouth on it. That might be. No, so that is a bass. You got that one pretty good, Bud Rowe. Hang on a second, I'm gonna get you out. Good solid pound and a half, maybe two. About the line wrap already getting twisted around itself. What I mean by the line wrap is that off the line. It'll. See if you can't do it again. You know what? That might be. I'm not sure that's a bass. Seems like there's no mouth on it. That might be. So that is a bass. You got that one pretty good, Bud Rowe. Hang on a second, I'm gonna get you out. Good solid pound and a half, maybe 2. GoPro, start recording. What if that scared the living shit out of me? God. Right here at the boat. Hey. That's a very big one. Yeah, he hit it right there too. Look at that, guys. Look at that big old crappie. Shoot, son. Hey, 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 hey. I'm gonna let you go. Ow, I was getting dope. God. Look at the size of that crappie. Boy, he's good out. That's good eating right there, son. All right, guys, so that's gonna get it for today. I'm heading back. Like I said, we had a good turnout. Wish we would have caught more, but hey, I ain't gonna complain. We got to go out here and fish. So again, guys, I'm on Percy Priest right here at Stewart's Creek area, and appreciate you guys watching videos. Y'all have a good one.